Hello everybody, this is Joanna from Hauser and today I'm gonna get you started with the Canvas training. First thing to do is going into the Google waffle icon. Click on it, scroll down and find the Canvas icon. Click on it. Once you are already logged in into your Google account, it will take you straight to the Canvas site. Once you are getting logged in, you will find this green little band that will invite you to the Growing with Canvas as a student. Click Accept. To find the Canvas training portal, click on the Help icon and then find Training Service Portal. Click on it. Once you are there, you will have to click the Authorize button, and that will take you to this tutorial. You can take a moment and check this tutorial out. If you have done it before, just click Continue until you find the end of this little tutorial. Once you make it to the end, you will find the portal for all the different trainings. Once in the Canvas training portal, you will find 3 tabs at the top. You will see the My Learning, Learning Library in the training calendar. The Learning Library shows a collection of trainings and courses that you have at your disposal. You can personalize your own training and enroll to any of those different courses. The only one that we are requiring is the Preparing to Launch. Make sure you enroll and complete this training by the due date. The My Learning tab at the top will show all the courses that you were enrolled at any time. Back in the dashboard, there are a couple of things to notice and a few tasks to complete. Growing with Canvas is the second coursework that teachers will have to complete in order to get ready to handle all tasks in Canvas successfully. PDTV is a course that CNI will be using to provide professional development as well as resources used during face-to-face training. PDTV is housing the community's next top model and gradually will be populated with future trainings. By the way, if you do not like the color overlay over your pictures, you can always turn it off by clicking on the 3 dots on the upper right-hand corner. Click on Color Overlay, and the shade of color will go away. Before starting the Growing with Canvas course, you will have to get ready by creating course shells to which the CISD Master Template will be imported. The reason to use a template is to give the district a standard format for the Canvas classroom, as well as saving teachers time by providing a pre-designed space that can be easily personalized. To create a Canvas course shell, you have to click on Start a New Course. Type the name of your class and a shorter version of it. Keep the private copyrighted content license and create the course shell. We call it course shell because this is an empty space that has no items in it. A course that you will have to create from scratch. It doesn't have anything in it. Since we want you to save time, we will be giving you a master template that you will have to import from the Commons. Click on Import from Commons. The Commons is a repository platform that you can find by clicking Commons on the C and an arrow icon, but also from the Import button that we just clicked. This is a collection of items that you can use in your classwork. Look for CISD template. The Community ISD Master Template will come up at the very top of the list. Click on it. Click on the Import and Download button. Click on the course shell that you want to import the content of the Community ISD Master Template into and import into the course. It will take a few seconds and it will not give you any confirmation of your import. Go back into the dashboard and you will find the Community ISD Master Template under the name of your class. You may be wondering what the sandbox course is. A sandbox is a course specifically designed to experiment on features that we are learning about and should never have students. This is a perfect place to try out new features before rolling them out to courses with students. To create your sandbox, click on the Community ISD Master Template newly copied. On the left side, you will find the course menu. Click on Settings. On the right side, you will find several elements. One of them will be Copy this course. Click on it. Change the name of the course. Call it Sandbox and your last name. Change the course code to a shorter name. In this case, I'm going to use Playground. Make sure you don't have start date or end date, and all the content should be copied. Create a course. A few seconds later, you can find the course on the dashboard. If you notice, it will have exactly the same picture that we had before. We need to change it to avoid confusion. Click on the course, go to Settings again, and under Course Details, the picture will have 3 dots on the right side. Click on the 3 dots and choose Image. There are 2 options for adding a picture to your course. 1, you can upload an image. 2, you can select one of the pictures from Unsplash. Select your picture, scroll down, and make sure to click Update Course Details. Now go back into the dashboard and you will see your playground on the bottom of the list. As you are working on the Growing with Canvas course, you will be doing some of the customization of the CISD template to adjust it to your class needs. Make sure to follow the instructions and use the sandbox course when it is required. There are a few requirements in the customization of your template that will qualify you to receive the half-day exchange time. The requirements are listed in the body of the template's homepage and they are highlighted. Let's click on the Community ISD Master Template and take a look. Your template consists of the following elements: the course banner, the welcome paragraph, the setup instructions, buttons to important parts of the course, and this week at a glance. Let's review the requirements to set up your Canvas master template. On the number 1, connect your Google account. To be able to connect the Google account, you need to click on the word account located in the top of the global navigation menu. This is the global navigation menu. Click on the account button, then settings, and you will find the Google Drive button where you will click authorize Google Drive access. Number 2, update the course menu. To be able to update the course menu, what you have to do is click on settings, then navigation, and if you notice, you have only 4 elements on the top. That's exactly how it's supposed to be. Only 4 elements: the home, modules, Google Drive, and Studio. Actually, for elementary school, Google Drive needs to be also disabled. They will not be able to see it on their homepage. For secondary students, it's okay. You can leave it in the same spot. Scroll down and click Save. Go back to the homepage, click Home. Number 3 says personalize the course banner. The course banner is the picture that is here on the top. In this case, we have a very generic banner for the class. You want to have one that fits your class and is personalized to your style. In number 3, we have one template that you can use to personalize your banner. Click on the template. You will be prompted to make a copy. This template has instructions in the surrounding areas. You will not be able to see them right away, so it will be very useful to zoom out. Instructions are right there. This is the working space. These are some pictures that you can fit on the working space, stretch them out, make them fit, and then change the font and include it on top of the picture. Whenever you're done, click File, Download, and download your picture as a PNG image. Going back into the template, a way to edit each one of the pages in your template is by clicking on the Edit button. If you notice, the banner is only a picture that can be removed or replaced. The welcome paragraph can be modified, and if we scroll down, there are several other things that you can modify and change. Number 4 is personalize the welcome paragraph. Number 5, customize the buttons. To customize the buttons, you can use this template, which also will invite you to create a copy of it. Make sure you're zooming out to see the instructions and also take into consideration the next questions. Is your class self-contained? Do you need more than 4 buttons? As you notice, this space where we can make the edit to the page is called the Rich Content Editor. It is very small. You will probably want to make it bigger. Go to the lower right corner, stretch it out, and you will have a bigger window to work. Once you have made all those changes, make sure you scroll down and click the Save button. On number 7, there are other things that you have to complete. Click on Schedule or Help or Parents. Each one of those pages will have an Edit button, just like this one on the top right. If you click on it, you will be able to update the page. Number 9 requires to customize the week at a glance. Scroll down to see this week at a glance. Customize the text to fit your plans for the first week back to school and then click Save. This is the week at a glance. Make sure you have the plans for the first week. A couple of reminders. If you complete the Canvas Classroom setup process steps 1 to 9 for each one of the courses or sections in the Growing with Canvas trainings by August the 1st, you will receive half a day exchange in addition to the 4 hours corresponding to the Growing with Canvas coursework. One last note. Claim your PD hours in the half-day exchange. Make sure you submit your cumulative score report for the Growing with Canvas training right here. After the submission of your score, your Campus Instructional Coach will review the setup of your teacher's Canvas classroom to award you the hours of PD training and the half-day exchange.